Now we are going to study about properties of thermal radiations. Thermal radiation having the phenomena of interference, diffraction, polarization of light. Thermal radiation obey the law of inverse square. Thermal radiation travel in straight line like light. Thermal radiation can travel through empty space with velocity of light. Or thermal radiations are reflected and refracted like light. Now we are going to study about spectral distribution of black body radiation कि जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनर्जी होती है अमंग द रेडिएशन जो एमिट होती है एक ब्लैक बॉडी से डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे, वो किसने इन्वेस्ट की थी? ल्यूमर एंड ब्रिंगशेम ने। जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनर्जी होता है अमंग द रेडिएशन जो एमिट होती है ब्लैक बॉडी से एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर वॉज इन्वेस्टिगेटेड हुई थी बाय ल्यूमर एंड ब्रिंगशेम। उन्होंने क्या किया? दे केप्ट द सोर्स एट डिफरेंट फिक्स टेम्परेचर एंड मेजर की इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेडिएशन। उन्होंने सोर्स को क्या किया? डिफरेंट फिक्स टेम्परेचर पे रख दिया और मेज़र की क्या? इंटेंसिटी ऑफ रेडिएशन डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग। मेज़र की क्या? रेडिएशन कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ की जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनर्जी अमंग द रेडिएशन emitted by a black body at different temperature was investigated by Loomer and Brinkshame. They kept the source at different fixed temperature and measured the intensity of radiation corresponding to the different wavelengths. Black body क्या होती है? It is an idealized physical body that absorbs all the radiations incident upon it regardless of frequency or angle of incidence. Experimental setup construction. The experimental setup is shown in figure. The radiations coming from the black body pass through the slit S1 and incident on the reflector M1. After reflection from reflector M1, these parallel beam of radiation will fall on fluorospar or rock salt prism ABC on the rotating table of the spectrometer. The emergent light from prism fall on the other reflector M2. After reflection, the radiation is focused on bolometer placed just behind the slit S2. The bolometer having its connection with a sensitive galvanometer. The prism table is rotated very slowly so that different parts of the radiation spectrum can be incident on the bolometer and the corresponding reflections measured galvanometer. The curve between intensity and wavelength is shown in figure with different temperatures. अब इसके conclusions. The curve of black body radiation has quite a complex shape explained by Planck law. In the radiation spectrum of black body, the energy is not uniformly distributed. The spectral curve at a specific temperature corresponds to a specific peak wavelength and vice versa. The intensity of radiations increases with increase of wavelength and becomes maximum at a particular wavelength. Thereafter, further increase of wavelength, the intensity of heat radiation decreases. As the temperature of the black body increases, there will be energy emission for all wavelengths. As the temperature of the black body increases, the peak wavelength lambda m decreases. Wien's law. Thus we can write lambda m is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Lambda m directly proportional होगा 1 by T के. The area under the curve signifies the total energy being radiated by a black body. This energy emission increases rapidly as temperature increases. Stefan-Boltzmann law, that is E is directly proportional to T raised to power 4. Although the intensity may be very low at although the intensity may be very low at very short or long wavelength, at any temperature above absolute zero, energy is theoretically emitted at all wavelengths. It must be noted that the black body radiation curve never reaches zero.